And what's up guys, so I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix WhatsApp notification sounds not coming problem. So basically guys, sometimes someone has messaged you and the notification doesn't come. You are not getting notified when the message was sent, and it can cost you a problem because it can be emergency message or an important message that you need to see, but the notification doesn't come and you don't get notified that the message was sent to you. So basically what you need to do, you need to go to WhatsApp first, and then you need to go to your settings, and then you need to go to your notification and make sure the notification is this thing is turned. If it is turned off, click on turn it to on. And if and everything do like, and if this also turn it off, click to turn it on. And then you can choose your ringtone. In the call, make sure it's to default ringtone, or you can choose your ringtone. The notification tone also can be default, and whatever you want to choose, make sure these things are on where I showed. Or if doesn't work, then you need to go to settings, then go to notification, and find the WhatsApp app first. Let me find it. So here is the WhatsApp app, and if you see that the notification is turned like this, then whatever you do to WhatsApp app to get notification, that will not, your phone will not allow to notify you because the WhatsApp notification is blocked. So what you doing to turn it off, and then if it is like this, then you can get notified. And this, if this two method still doesn't work, and then there's just a glitch of WhatsApp, you need to delete it and reinstall it to fix it. So thank you so much for watching guys. I will see you in the next video.